Imagine making money while you sleep. No boss, no 9 to 5 job, just passive income. First of all, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Anthony, and I'm a multimillionaire. This is the very first video on my channel. And starting today, I'm going to teach you everything about finance. How to save money, how to earn money, and how to grow your wealth. In the next 25 minutes, you're going to learn strategies that can completely change your financial future.
First, let's talk about what passive income actually is. Most people trade their time for money. They work 9 to 5 jobs and get paid at the end of the month. Passive income is different. It's money that keeps coming in without having to work for every single dollar. Smart people build systems, investments, or businesses that generate money automatically. And that's what we are going to explore today. For example, investing in companies like Apple or Tesla. Even a small investment can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Some companies pay dividends, which is basically free money you earn just for holding the stock. The key is consistency. Even $10 or $20 a day invested wisely can grow into thousands or even millions over years. Digital products are another amazing option. This includes ebooks, online courses, templates, or even printables. You create them once and people can buy them repeatedly online. For example, if you write a course teaching beginners how to save money, you can earn $50, $100, or more per sale. The best part? Once it's created, it keeps earning without more effort. Real estate is a classic passive income source. Owning rental properties can give you steady monthly income. Airbnb is also a great option if you want short-term rentals. Yes, it requires an upfront investment, but over time, rent and property appreciation can provide a consistent income stream. Another method is creating apps or small websites. Even simple apps can generate money through ads or in-app purchases. Similarly, websites can earn through ads, affiliate links, or memberships. You build it once, and it continues generating money automatically. For those who prefer safe options, high-interest savings accounts or bonds can give steady returns. It's not as exciting as stocks or businesses, but it's a low-risk way to earn passive income while keeping your money safe. So to summarize, there are multiple ways to earn passive income. Stocks, YouTube/content, digital products, real estate, affiliate marketing, apps/websites, high-interest savings. The most important thing is to start small, stay consistent, and focus on building systems that work for you. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on finance, saving, and earning, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Remember, it's not about how much you make right now. It's about building wealth that works for you over time. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with 3 important principles for building real wealth. 1. Start small, but start today. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even investing $5, $10, or $20 regularly can grow into something huge over time. The key is to start and be consistent. 2. Learn and reinvest. Every dollar you earn, think about how it can work for you. Reinvest profits from stocks, digital products, or rental income. The more your money works for you, the faster your wealth grows. 3. Focus on knowledge, not just money. Understanding finance, investments, and markets is the real game changer. Read books, take courses, and follow experts. Knowledge compounds just like money, and it never disappears. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating systems that keep working for you while you sleep. And one last thing. Most people watch videos like this, feel motivated for a few minutes, and then do absolutely nothing. Don't be that person. Take action, even if it's small. Open a savings account, start learning about stocks, create your first YouTube video, or write your first digital product idea. Because the truth is, your future depends on what you do today. In 1 year, you can either look back and wish you started, or be proud that you did. So make a decision right now. You're going to start building your passive income journey today. Remember, money doesn't come from working harder only. It comes from working smarter and building systems. Final CTA. Thank you for watching. Real estate is a classic passive income source. Owning rental properties can give you steady monthly income. Airbnb is also a great option if you want short-term rentals. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.